what are the accessory tools in Goodnotes? Let's walk through each one and how to use them.
Now you have these tools over here, and there's a couple different what are called accessories dumped into this little file folder right here. So you have record and summarize. So this is a new AI feature where you can record something. So if you tapped on this, you can give it access to your microphone and you can record and summarize. Basically, it would be really great for like if you were taking notes in like a classroom setting and you wanted it to record you, you can do that here. You also have show recordings, so anything that you recorded, they're going to be right here under show recordings. You also have a zoom window, and this feature is really great if you maybe have a hard time seeing and you want to be able to write in your planner, but you don't want to like zoom this way. You can use this zoom window, and then if you write, so let's say that right here, let's go over here to the first. So if you wanted to write on the first that you had an appointment, you can write that really big right down here in this zoom window, and it will show up over here wherever you are writing at. So that's how you use the zoom window. You also have the ruler. This is nice if you're wanting to like measure. You can move it around. You can align things with this. You can angle it in different directions, up and down. There are a lot of different ways that you can use a ruler. A lot of people do it to align. So like if you wanted to make highlighter dots and you wanted to align them, you could do it with the ruler tool. I have a different method that I do with it, but that is something you can do so you could like easily align with the ruler tool. There are a lot of different ways that you could use the ruler tool. And then you have a timekeeper tool. So if you wanted to track however long you are digital planning or you wanted to time yourself, there's a built-in timer right in here in Goodnotes. And then if you wanted to customize your toolbar farther, if you didn't want any of these, you're just going to remove them, hit done, and they're not going to be there anymore. So that is how you can use these accessories that are hidden up here under Goodnotes.